Good morning, friends. I believe he we brought a Singapore with climate government, sementara kita singing and lecture Smith. Today I'm going to Smith, so I'll show you some of the clip of the Smith village outskirts of Shillong. So right now I just wake up from my bed. Okay, so this blog I'm going to speak in English. So if I make a mistake in speaking in English, please don't mind and please do correct me. Okay, guys. So, okay, let me go on, freshen up, wash my face and all, brush my teeth. Then I'll show you through the way where we are going, which we are going to Smith, and meet some of my friends, and I'll show a clips of the village of Smith, the outskirts of Shillong. Okay, temtang ala poi hang ne po dan keti ngadang yat ngadang up tengi dan ngisak kota traffic. Yeah, right now we have reached Dan Keti and we are stuck in the traffic. Okay, we are going to Smith as I have told you. So okay, I'll update you when we reach Smith. Ngan sa yaitu IP andang ilapoy siya Smith. Halo perlok mentang ilapoy ni po lots ang ni Smith kanika linti ben lek Smith. Ti tay mo tay kali kudang wan na Smith mo. Te national din ru POE mo. Te ngadon ni katay ka surok ng tay POE katay ka balik siya Jowai mo. Balik siya Jowai katay. Na yang ne harut bani open via kanika view kendiat kaba internet bah bat kumjuru ka kham slap kendiat tedinda kadau kalong internet bat kalong iskuin bah kanika jaka. And this area is called Smith, so it is very good, and we just entering the Smith area. Okay, you see that part is very nice. Okay, you see. And okay, I'll show you a little bit about this area. Okay, as a glimpse of this area I'll show you, and I'll just show you. You just enjoy this view. Wow, beautiful, right? Beautiful. You see, it's really very beautiful. Wow, awesome, not awesome. It's awesome. Wow. It's really awesome. Wow, great, beautiful nature. Yeah. You see? All those they plant vegetables, okay? You know, these are cabbage. Okay? You see that all those cabbage. Wow. Okay, great. You see that? This area is very nice. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. So hello guys. Right now I have reached Smith at one of the colleague house. Ti perlok mentang ala position siya Smith, but mentang adon hang ni haying jang iwe na I perlok ba yahi kai lang mo. Tengan pen ifi kini ka view kendiat mo. Come to dengan pen na ka kamera ka basya din pat. Gayeng gajong ma. Ay piap ben teng hap kiu nang teng na room. Ma. Kani. This is Smith. Okay. Te perlok mentangi don hang ne ka bypass ka ba cross ya ka Shillong City ban poi sya Sanmer. Te ngadang yang ne. Te kini gede ka jaka hakabang ngin yat nang ning ngin poisha liulong pom lakrai te din kata ngin poisha Sanmer te okay. This is the road which we can bypass Shillong so that we will not stuck the heavy traffic jam in the main city of Shillong. Okay, I will show you when I reach that 5 mile and Sanmer nang lapoy siya tay teng 4 tip sinungin yalet nomor 4 yo ka instruction. Okay, bye. Ti mentang idang late ni ha. Yung mani balang Chris hang ni po kat armer melim kat armer mo dengan pen EFP ya kanika yung mani nomor bang 4 jupoy hang ni mo kani gede yung mani balang Chris melim kat armer te ngan pen EFP shikmat kani gede yung mani melim kat armer mo ada itu nak siapa nih kena pak hep kamu kan kayak gimana nih ada ini ketiga yang mana kok kan armnya melip oh wah tenang ini so guys, this is the church of Church of Christ at Melim Kat Armer. So you can just figure it out and check that this church is huge and yeah, very good. Yeah, we have this. Okay, you just check, right? So this is my first time visiting the Melim church here for me. Okay, this is my first time. Yeah. Okay, so this is a glimpse of the church at this Melim. Okay, so until then I will update you. Now we are going to Maukria. So when we reach Maukria, I'll show you there. Okay. Kini kita gayeng ke bai sama nabar, irong sepo. Kini kita gayeng ke jang mah itanat ha. Mah. Okay. Tinggal larung bai ini. Tangkap tak. Kilaya nyom bah hau pra mendakas ngi kilaya shat bat kilaya kemen namar ba kaparti VPP kalai yo bat kala job ya kenika Shillong parliamentary seat den takadaw ki ya shat bat ki ya kemen hang tu kumbap yo I de perlok kini gede kalenti kabang idang wan pai na Maukria te kembang layet hu IP mo te ngan seperti EP ndang ila poi sipo lumoba pat mentang ngin hai bat ngin lecha lumoba. Okay, stay tuned. Te perlok mentang dan ni apo school sama kaseng ka Sean Roy Basan School, higher secondary school dengan bakla mo ka ngawan ya kendu iwe na I parlok ibe ya trailang te day na katakadaw ngadan ni te kini kadai saka mo bakadan mo laban pej ni tanat ipang nat school mo Tama ngam tep adu kanu ka jinghe ka jangka mo. Dengan pen i phi kendiat ka pasadin jangka. Oh. Which one is the shop for? That one? That is apa ni, no? Oh, this one. Te perlok mentang adan ham ni ha viewpoint. Ani po nang kuar. Kedai nang kuar deh kene? Nang kuar. Yang isi kita kedai ka Bishop Fall. But kene sini kedai ka Senapani. Te to kembang alap ni pi kendiat mo. Kai internet bah kene ka view do da pin page ni. Te kasin ka panengkong ngarong poi ha kene ka Jaka. Te okay, this is the first time that I have reached here, and this is in Nongkwa, and same in Shillong itself. So, but for me, this is the first time. Okay, so that is the Bishop Fall, and that one is the Sonapa. Me. Okay, so wow, you see that? Beautiful. Okay. Ah, ni jingit tenang. Nah. Kita election ni. Nah. Wow. Te mentang kadang don ne jerong yeng kadang up ya candidate ubapas dan pek ubala job mo candidate ubala job hakni ka MP election na po Shillong constituency te kadang up i bat katay gede ke surok dengan pen i pi ya kedur jong ah hendrengan pen i ke surok bat ngan pek ya ke cingile kemen ke jongki. Okay. Te fi i te
Here, Alex, from here. Alex, come in that side.
Oh. Nè. Baik nè, lawan mah. Wow. Baik nè Ki party mah, ki party jangka BPP kidang Siwan mentah. Baik nè. Okay. Wow.
Standing. Right there in the jeep. I'm standing in the jeep now. American jeep. American jeep. In front is the Japanese jeep in white with the red flags. So behind is an American jeep.
Oh, page đây. Ah, này. Còn là zoom. Angin POE tay mo. I hope you can see that. Wow. I will resume it. Wow. Wow. See, this the police escort. Yes, yes. You see there? Wow. Wow. Oh, ni sini tenang. Pedai. Wow. Wah. Acing pun brave, acing pun kini kali. Tam lagi kini ki Arshaka. Angin POE mo Arshaka. Oh, pun ha. Shadow style. Hang tai te la ya. Sakut tai. Tai. Wah. Đây. Huge. Lots of two-wheeler. All the supporter of DPT Upra. Wow.